500-watt water-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine is designed for precision cleaning. With focus red dot positioning, you can easily target and clean even the most detailed areas. Effortlessly strip away coatings from aluminum with precision. Our cleaning machine delivers fast, flawless results every time. See how our powerful cleaner eliminates rust from carbon steel, leaving it smooth and corrosion-free in no time. Removing paint from wood is easy with our laser cleaning machine. The precise laser targets only the paint, preserving the wood beneath for a clean and damage-free finish.